check out our payment method update link. Now, this update is going to allow customers to seamlessly update their payment methods for subscriptions, enhancing convenience and reducing the risk of payment failures. Let's talk about those amazing benefits. This is a simplified process. You can now easily send a secure link to your customers when they need to update that credit card on file. This is also going to enhance the customer experience. It's going to provide customers with a hassle-free way to manage their subscriptions. It's also going to mitigate payment failures by proactively addressing potential payment issues by facilitating timely updates to payment methods. Now, let's also talk about that practical use. Consider that you are a subscription-based business, utilizing the payment method update link feature to promptly notify clients about expiring payment methods, resulting in fewer subscription cancellations and increased revenue. So let me show you exactly where this new link is accessed. You can go ahead and access the Share Payment Update link under Payments, then in Subscriptions. Once you get to Subscriptions, you're going to click that vertical three-dot kebab and you're going to click on Share Payment Update link. Now, what's great is you can copy that, you can send an email, or simply copy it and send it to them in a text. What's great about this is it's a one-time use only, and it's only valid for 30 days. Customers can view and update their subscriptions simply and easily with this new link. The best part is that payment methods will be updated. Now, the new payment method will be changed for the next billing cycle. So, I love this new feature because it's going to allow us to even more streamline subscription management and enhance customer satisfaction with the payment method update link featured within our CRM, which is going to reduce the risk of payment failures and foster long-term relationships with our clients. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.